Alright, well, time to start up the old chainsaw. Right here, an XL12, 1960s. World's most famous lightweight chainsaw. It's actually pretty light for an old saw. I got it not too long ago. It actually works pretty good. That's the XL12. Quite the saw. 54cc. Pretty big for a fucking chainsaw. Now we got Big Mama here. XL76. It's a newer one. It's from like the 70s and 80s. It's 58cc. Got a bigger bar on it. Both of these are dull as fuck, but they're fucking beasts. Come on.